Finding supplementary and complementary angles. All right, so we've talked about this a little bit in some of the other videos, supplementary specifically, not complement yet. So supplement, writing supplementary angles. Oops, forgot the E. Add up to 180 degrees. So if they're supplementary angles, they add up to 180 degrees. So for this example here, one of the questions B, it says, in an angle measure 40, what is the measure of its supplement? Well, if they add up to 180 degrees, and I know that the angle it's giving me is 40, then its supplement would have to be 140 degrees. So the answer to that would be 140 degrees. Then we have complement. So a complementary angle. So complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So supplementary add up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So for part A there, it says an angle measures 51. What is the measure of its complement? So if I know they add up to 90, and I'm being given 51, I'm going to subtract. Darn it. And I get 39 degrees. So the answer for that one is 39. The complement of 51 is 39 because if I add those two together, I will get back to 90. The supplement of 40 is 140 because if I add these two together, I get back to 180. So that's the basic idea there. We're just going to go through and do that math a couple of times. Erase these. Try not to erase my... Okay, so part A here, it says an angle measures 60. What is its complement? What is the measure of its complement? So I'm going to stick with the blue here since we're doing complement first. Remember, complement means they add up to 90 degrees. If I have a 60-degree angle, I'm just going to subtract the two, and that tells me what its complement is. Its complement is 30 degrees. So I'm going to go here and go 30 degrees. All right, so now we're going to find this next one. I'm going to switch over here to red because this one is saying an angle measure of 109 degrees. What is the measure of its supplement? Again, the second I hear supplement, I know they add up to 180 degrees. They're telling me the angle is 109. I'm going to subtract. So I have a bunch of borrowing here, and I get 71 degrees. 71. And then I click check. Next. Oops, sorry to erase that other one just a little bit there. All right, so part A says an angle measures 137 degrees. What is the measure of its supplement? So again, supplement means 180 degrees. So I simply just subtract from 180 degrees what they're giving me. So I'm going to borrow, I get 3, and I get 43 degrees. So I type in 43. Next one here is an angle measure of 55 degrees. An angle measures 55 degrees. What is the measure of its complement? So I'm going to switch over to blue. Complement means 90. It's giving me 55. And they want to know its complement, so I'm going to subtract. And I get 35 degrees. Okay, one more. Keep erasing just a little bit more of that definition there. And kind of rewrite the definition just a little bit there. All right, an angle measures 40 degrees. What is the measure of its complement? So we're starting with complement. Complement means they add up to 90. So I'm going to subtract what they gave me. And that is the complement of 40. Because 40 plus 50 gives you 90. All right, so it says an angle measures 120 degrees. What is the measure of its supplement? So supplement adds up to 180. I have 121, so I subtract 7, 10, 9, and I have, all right, so 59 degrees. So 59 degrees. Woo! I got that one wrong. 59 degrees. All right, we are going to check. And there we go. We finished another one.